Just one line definition: the art of showing the harshness of truth in the same intense way. Tamil anthology Paava Kadaigal. दोस्तों, as I said it million times, cinema is always what to be considered as a strong medium of expression to comment, to criticize or make a dialogue on the prevailing loopholes, pitfalls, problems existed whether in the society or in the human behavior. And do you know why I said it is a strong medium? Because there are a lot of other sources existed also, like media or public forum. But what makes the cinema the stronger one? इसकी आप समझिए इस बात को कि एक ऑडियो और वीडियो के फॉर्म में it just shows you a replica of those problems. And if it is executed perfectly with acting, writing and direction, then it stuck with you for a longer time and somehow wakes up your conscience कि ignore करने का समय गया. What's your take? Similar thing you can find in Paava Kadaigal. And before giving you a cinematic tour of this anthology, let me tell you theoretically why it's depressingly worth watch. Two reasons. First is what I said earlier. The one word which defines all the four stories of the anthology is intense. What I want to say कि हमेशा से फिल्म्स बनती आ रही है और अभी भी बनती हैं सोसाइटी के इन पिटफॉल्स पे. But consider the fact that in 30 to 35 minutes, if you are liable to show the bitterness exists in those problems in the same intense way, that simply means the maker, writer, director and whole Tamil industry deserve a huge round of applause. And second thing is even more painful, that theme which combine all four stories, which shows that pride, honor and sin are prior to love. Not just for the society, but even for your family. Bit painful experience to witness. तो दोस्तों, आज पावा कदाइगल का करते हैं रिव्यू एंड लेट मी टेल यू हाउ सिनेमेटिकली दिस एंथोलॉजी डील्स विद यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, मैं हूं अंकित. स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से म्यूजिकल रिव्यूअर में. सबसे पहले तो महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी, एंथोलॉजी आपको नेटफ्लिक्स में देखने को मिल जाएगी. 4 स्टोरीज. लैंग्वेज की बात करें तो आपको ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश में भी देखने को मिल जाएगी. बट आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच इन द ओरिजिनल तमिल ऑडियो विद इंग्लिश सबटाइटल एज इट कीप्स द सोल ऑफ द डायलॉग्स अलाइव. फर्स्ट स्टोरी इज तंगम, डायरेक्टेड बाय सुधा कुंगरा. लेट मी टेल यू, कालिदास जयराम snatched the show with his screen presence. It's a story of a transgender falls in love with a boy, but that boy loves the transgender sister. And just how the society and family deals with it, you can find it in the story. Writing good, acting Kalidas Jairam again flawless. BGM adds more taste to it. The scene where he hides his face crying is enough for bag any kind of award exists in this world. Next story is Vamagal, directed by Gautam Menon, starring Gautam Menon and Simran. Story of a little girl who is raped at one night and then family treated it as a sin and how their perspective changes toward that little girl. Writing, direction and lastly the climax is awesome. Next is Oor Iravo, directed by Vetri Maran, starring Prakash Raj and Sai Pallavi. Story of honor in between father and daughter who was married to a different caste guy, and after some time father changes his thinking and invite them for a baby shower. At some point of the story you just saw the acting clash between Prakash Raj and Sai Pallavi, but Sai Pallavi nailed it. And last few minutes of the story, I think you need some inhuman skills to witness that. Very harsh, very harsh. And let me tell you one thing, please watch the Prakash Raj's story before Gautam Menon's story, because in the beginning there is a little spoiler for Oor Iravo in Vamagal, so please keep that fact in mind while watching the anthology. Next story is Love Pannum, directed by Vignesh Sivan. Anjali, you played a double role of twin sisters, and Kalki Kochlin, a story of how daughters convincing their father, one who loves her driver and another who is in a lesbian relationship. Story starts in a smooth way and after some time reach its peak. But that dark humor present in the next half of the story somehow lessens the intensity of the story. But then the acting of that short guy and his dialogue delivery keeps the story somehow alive. So from my side it's a must watch. Go and watch this on Netflix और मुझे कमेंट बताइएगा कि आपको एंथोलॉजी कैसे लगी. बाकी आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. ये वीडियो अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइए. इंस्टाग्राम में आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग्स और मेडली सुनने के लिए. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. किसी और फिल्म के रिव्यू और एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए भी आप मुझे कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं. तो फिर मिलेंगे किसी नए दिन किसी नए रिव्यू एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.